Hello children, today I will explain new exercise of chapter 8, that is 8.6. In this exercise, we will learn how to subtract decimals. Let's start exercise 8.6, question number 1, subtract. A part, rupees 18.25 from rupees 20.75. Children, whenever you see from in subtraction sum, firstly we have to write second number. Then we have to use subtraction sign and then we will write first one. So we will write here 20.75 minus 18.25. Now we have to convert it into like decimal, but they are already in like decimal, so no need to convert it. Now we will use here column method to subtract them. Firstly we will write 20.75. Now we will write second number in such a way that the decimal of each number will come below one another. So we will write decimal here. Now we will write whole part to the left of the decimal point and decimal part to the right of the decimal point. Now we will subtract them. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 2, 5. Now decimal 0 minus 8. It is not possible, so we will borrow a number from 2. Now it will be converted into 1 and 0 will be converted into 10. Now 10 minus 8, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. Therefore, rupees 20.75 minus rupees 18.25 is equals to rupees 2.50, and it is our answer. B part, 202.54 meter from 250 meter. Here we have to subtract 202.54 from 250. Firstly we will write 250 minus 202.54. Now we will convert it into like decimal. Here 250 is the whole part, so we will write 250, and we know that after whole part decimal point will come, so we will write 2 point. Now here we have two maximum digits after the decimal point, so we will add 20 minus 202.54. Now we will apply column method to subtract them, so we will write 250.00. Now we will write decimal of second number and then we will write whole part to the left of the decimal point and decimal part to the right of the decimal point. Now we will subtract them. 0 minus 4 is not possible, so we will borrow a number from 5. After borrowing, 5 will convert it into 4 and 0 will be converted into 10. Now we will again borrow a number. 10 is converted into 9 and this 0 will be converted into 10. Now we will again borrow a number. 10 is converted into 9 and 0 is converted into 10. Now 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 5, 4. Now decimal point, 9 minus 2, 7. 4 minus 0, 4, and 2 minus 2, 0. Therefore, 250 meter minus 202.54 meter is equals to 47.46 meter. C part, rupees 5.36 from rupees 8.40. Firstly we will write 8.40 minus 5.36. They are like decimal, so no need to convert it. Now we will apply column method to subtract them. Firstly we will write 8.40. Now we will write decimal of second number, that is here. Now we will write whole part to the left of the decimal point 5 and decimal part to the right of the decimal point 36. Now we will subtract them. 0 minus 6 is not possible, so we will borrow a number from 4. Now it is converted into 3 and 0 will be converted into 10. Now 10 minus 6, 4. 3 minus 3, 0. 8 minus 5, 3. Therefore, 8.40 rupees minus 5.36 rupees is equals to rupees 3.04. D and E part. is your homework. Try to solve. Let's understand question number 2. Find the value of A part 9.756 minus 6.28. Firstly, we will write 9.756 as it is. Now we will convert 6.28 into like decimal. Here we have maximum 3 digits after the decimal point. So we will add 1 0 after the decimal point of 6.28. Now we will apply column method to subtract them. So we will write 9.756. Now we will write decimal of second number here. Now we will write whole part to the left of the decimal point and decimal part to the right of the decimal point. Now we will subtract them. 6 minus 0, 6. 5 minus 8 is not possible. So we will borrow a number from 7. 7 is converted into 6 and 5 is converted into 15. Now 15 minus 8 is equals to 7. 6 minus 2, 4 and 9 minus 6, 3. Therefore, 9.756 minus 6.28 is equals to 3.476. B part 21.05 minus 15.27. They are like decimal, so no need to convert it. We will write it as it is. 21.05 minus 15.27. Now we will apply column method to subtract them. So we will write first 21.05. Now we will write decimal of second number here. Now we will write whole part to the left of the decimal point 15 and 27, that is a decimal part, to the right of the decimal point. Now we will subtract them. 5 minus 7 is not possible, so we will borrow a number from 0, but 0 can never be borrow a number, so we will borrow a number from 1. Now 1 is converted into 0 and 0 is converted into 10. Now we will borrow a number from 10. 10 is converted into 9 and 5 is converted into 15. 15 minus 7, 8. 9 minus 2, 7. Now 0 minus 5 is not possible, so we again borrow a number from 2. Now it is converted into 1 and 0 is converted into 10. Now 10 minus 5 is 5 and 1 minus 1, 0. Therefore, 21.05 minus 15.27 is equals to 5.78. C part 18.5 minus 6.79. Firstly, we will convert it into like decimal. Here we have maximum 2 digits after the decimal point. So we will write 18.5 as 18.50 minus 6.79. Now we will apply column method. So firstly we will write 18.50. Next we will write decimal of second number here. Now we will write whole part to the left of the decimal point and 79 decimal part to the right of the decimal point. Now we will subtract them. 0 minus 9 is not possible, so we will borrow a number from 5. It is converted into 4 and 0 is converted into 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 4 minus 7 is not possible, so we will borrow a number from 8. 8 is converted into 7 and 4 is converted into 14. 14 minus 7 is equals to 7. 7 minus 6, 1. But before we put here decimal. Now 7 minus 6, 1 and 1 is as it is. So 18.5 minus 6.79 is equals to 11.71 and it is our answer. D part 11.6 minus 9.847 is your homework. Try to solve. Question number 3. Raju bought a book for rupees 35.65. He gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. How much money did he get back from the shopkeeper? Firstly, we will write the information as the statement that we have given. So we will write here cost of book is equals to rupees 35.65. Next information we have given money Raju had is equals to rupees 50. Now next information that we have to find how much money did he get back from the shopkeeper. So we will write here money got back by him. That we will find after subtraction. So we will write here total money that he had 50 minus cost of book, that is 35.65. Now we will apply column method, but firstly we will convert it into like decimal. Here we have 2 digits after decimal, so we will write it 50 as 50.00 minus 35.65. Now we will write 50.00 35.65. 0 minus 5 is not possible, so we will borrow a number from 0, but 0 can never be borrow a number, so we will borrow a number from 5. Now it will become 4, 0 will be converted into 10. Now we will borrow a number from 10, now it will become 9, and 0 is converted into 10. Now we again borrow a number from 10, it will be converted into 9, and this 0 will convert it into 10. Now 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 5, 4, and 4 minus 3, 1. Therefore, money got back by him is rupees 14.35. Let's understand question number 4. Rani had rupees 18.50. She bought one ice cream for rupees 11.75. How much money does she have now? In this question, we have given Rani bought an ice cream for rupees 11.75 out of rupees 18.50, and we have to find how much money she has left with her. This is your homework. Try to understand. Let's understand question number 5. Tina had 20 meter 5 centimeter long cloth. She cuts 4 meter 50 centimeter length of cloth from this for making a curtain. How much cloth is left with her? In this question, we have given Tina used 4 meter 50 centimeter length of cloth for making a curtain out of 20 meter 5 centimeter long cloth, and we have to find how much cloth is left with her after making a curtain. It is your homework. Try to understand. Let's understand question number 6. Namita travels 20 km 50 meter every day. Out of this, she travels 10 km 200 meter by bus and the rest by auto. How much distance does she travel by auto? Firstly, we will write total distance traveled by Namita daily, that is equals to 20 km 50 meter. Here we have 2 units, kilometer and meter, so we will convert it into single unit. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, or we can say that 1 meter is equals to 1 upon 1000 kilometer, that is equal 20 plus 50 divided by 1000. In next step we will write 20 plus 0.050, that is equals to 20.050 kilometer. Next information we have given distance traveled by bus, that is equals to 10 km 200 meter, or we can say that 10.200 kilometer. Now we have to find distance traveled by auto, that we will get after subtraction 10.200 kilometer from 20.050 kilometer. So we will write here 20.050 kilometer minus 10.200 kilometer. So we will write here 20.050. Now we will write decimal of second number and write whole part to the left side of decimal and decimal part to the right side of the decimal. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 0 minus 2 is not possible, so we will borrow a number. 2 is converted into 1 and 0 is converted into 10. Now we again borrow a number from 10. 10 is converted into 9 and this 0 is converted into 10. 10 minus 2, 8. Point. 9 minus 0, 9 and 1 minus 1, 0. Therefore, distance traveled by auto is 9.850 kilometer. Let's understand question number 7. Akash bought vegetables weighing 10 kg. Out of this, 3 kg 500 gram is onions, 2 kg 75 gram is tomatoes and the rest is potatoes. What is the weight of the potatoes? In this question, we have given 3 information. First is total weight of vegetables bought by Akash, that is equals to 10 kg. Next information we have given weight of onions, that is equals to 3 kg 500 gram. Firstly, we will convert it into kg. So we will write here 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram, or we can say that 1 gram is equals to 1 upon 1000 kg. Now we will write here 3 plus 500 divided by 1000, that is equals to 3 plus 0.500, that is equals to 3.500 kg. Next information we have given weight of tomatoes, that is equals to 2 kilogram 75 gram, or we can say that 2.075 kg. Firstly, we will find total weight of onions and tomatoes. So we will write here total weight of onions and tomatoes, that we will get after addition. So we will write here 3.500 kg plus 2.075 kg. Now we will add them. Write decimal here, write 2 here and 0.75 here, right side of the decimal point. Now we will add 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 7, 7, 5 plus 0, 5 and 3 plus 2, 5. Therefore, total weight of onion and tomatoes is 5 kilogram 57 gram, or we can say that 5.575 kilogram. Now we have to find weight of potatoes. According to question, out of 10 kg vegetables, Akash bought 5.575 kg tomatoes and onions. For finding the weight of potatoes, we have to subtract 5.575 kg from 10 kg. So we will write here weight of potatoes is equals to total weight of vegetables minus total weight of onions and tomatoes, that is equals to 10 kilogram minus 5.575 kilogram. Now firstly we will convert it into like decimal, so we will write here 10.000 minus 5.575. Now we will apply column method. 10.000, firstly we will write decimal. Now we will write whole part to the left of decimal and decimal part to the right of the decimal point. Now we will subtract them. Firstly we will borrow the number because here we have 0, so it will convert 0. Here we have 10. Now this 10 will be converted into 9 and this 0 will be converted into 10. Now this 0 will be converted into 9 and this 0 will be converted into 10. Now this 0 is converted into 9 and this 0 will be converted into 10 after borrowing the number 1. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 5, 4 and 0 as it is. Therefore, weight of potatoes bought by Akash is 4.425 kg, and it is our answer. Children, this exercise is over and chapter also. I hope you all must have understood well. Thank you.